This guitar is just simply amazing. I like it a lot. It's carbon fiber. Did you hear that pop? I mean, there again. So, I wasn't planning on showing anything. This is just a simple blues progression. And I've got Bluetooth. So I can run the background. But this popping noise coming from my GoPro is driving me nuts. Anybody have any ideas? It's a Hero 9. Is the Enya. So I'm playing it back and I'm hearing this popping. And I've heard it before in my flying videos too. So if you got any guesses, I'd appreciate it.